Hi guys, it's Johnny from Kalpanic Games. Today we're going to talk about variables. We're going to use some basic of math operations to explain the use of variables, how to use variables, okay? And don't be scared of maths, it's just plus divisions and minus and multiplication, those things in games mostly. So now let's create an empty game object. Create an empty game object, name it use of of variables. Okay, now we're going to create a script, C# script, and assign the script to that. Okay, now over here we go click. Unity is slow, nothing can I do about that, so we open that and reload. Okay, now there we go, we don't need the update. By the way, update and start, these are called functions and we'll discuss them about later in a later video. For now, let us explain what is variables, okay, and how to like use them. Okay, by the way, start is something that is in Unity hierarchy. I'll put a link where you can see yourself that which is what function is started first on for Unity execution order, so you can have a look at yourself. Okay, now we can print to our console since we attached this script to the use of variables, and the way we can see our result is in console as we saw before in the previous video. So the way we can do that is by using print statement. Okay, print something, or like use something like say hello. Okay, alright, or we can do same thing with debug.log and we can say hi. Okay, now if you run the script you will get debug.log hello and hi in the console. Say if we run it, so you see over here hello and hi. So using the same logic we're going to assign some variables. Okay, so we don't need that, let's delete that. So let's say int a equals to 3 and int b equals to 2. Okay, by the way, you can assign int or float, whatever variables you want. You're just not limited to int. You can decide whatever variables type you want to use. Okay, now let's go int c equals to sum of a plus b. Alright, now if we go over here and try to print out the thing over here, the result, we can, let's try this debug.log and put in string concatenation. Okay, which is like a plus b equals to plus b equals to c, right? What do you think? This is going to put out the result. Let's try it out. Okay, let's see on Unity and run the script. Unity always does that, reload script assembly. So now let us do, and it's saying a plus b equals to c. Okay, it's not doing what we are supposed to get, it's doing something else. Okay, so to fix that we need to do in this way. Alright, so we need to do a plus b equals to like equals to, okay, equals to right over here, and we can put like that, and then we put plus c. Okay, and we don't need this comma anymore. Now I think we will do, as you see the color change over here. Okay, now let us run. I think we'll get 5. See, a plus b equals to 5. So that's how you do it. And also to be more modular of the script, we can also do this. Let us comment that, press controls plus backslash. Okay, we can just comment it out from here. Okay, now we can do also this way, debug dot log. Okay, then over here a plus, over here plus, then plus b, then plus equals to, then plus c. Okay, now alright, now in this way you can just change whatever number you want over here, and it will always output the result over here. Let us try that. Okay, let us try that, and let us print over here. See, over here is printing 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Okay, and I will show you another method, okay, another way of doing this. Okay, so let us comment this out. Okay, we can comment it out, and we can also comment this out. Okay, now let us do, by the way, string concatenation means basically it adds two variables and just merge them together. That's what it means. Okay, and now we're going to say like name. Let's do string name equals to John. Okay, then string last name equals to Ross. Okay, we can do that, comma. Right, now we can also print like this, debug dot log. Okay, and we can put like name plus, let's put a backspace in there since we always put a space, right? Then last name, and what do you think it will print out? I think it will print out the name of the player. Okay, say it's the name of a player. Okay, now let us play that, and it says John Ross. There you go. So as you see over here, that's how you use the variables, and it's pretty much similar. For example, you want to get a potion that you pick up from the, or an item you pick up when in an RPG game, and the player health is A, and the how much health it adds is B. Now the result is you want to show to the display on the game that I have more health than before because I picked up this item. So similar logic explained in a similar way, and that's how we use variables. So I hope you find that useful, and I will see you around. And if you like my video, please subscribe and put the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, press thumbs down. Until then, see you around. Take care. Bye.